well organized and attractive Amazon FBA store page is more important now than ever for your brand on Amazon. Think about all the money you're spending on ads, whether it's on PPC on Amazon's platform or on external ads to drive traffic to your Amazon store. So you really want to be doing your best that once you get them there, you keep them there. They can't be getting lost or confused when they're trying to look through the different sections on your Amazon store page. It's just like a website. If you've ever gone to a website before that's like very poorly set up, you get frustrated. You're like, I don't have time for this, and you leave. So you don't want that to happen to your customers that are showing up to your store on Amazon. So anyway, I put a link down below in the description or in the comments below that you can check out. That's going to walk through a few examples, some very good Amazon store pages that you can then go and replicate these ideas for yours and skyrocket your sales.